Mixed cream into boiled egg, a snack bar secret. To start, let's add some water to a pot. Add 2 eggs and cook until they're well done. Once cooked, peel and cut them into a blender. Next, add 100 milliliters, half a small carton of cream. Now let's blend it all together thoroughly. Add garlic, salt, chives, and parsley to taste. Cover and blend for about 2 minutes. After that, our homemade mayo is ready. Quick, easy, seasoned, and absolutely delicious. Serve and enjoy with your favorite side dish. It's delicious with any accompaniment. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Take care and see you next time.